Good morning.
Hi.
So we're currently at Solar Motorhomes. This is where we actually bought the motorhome from. We're here this morning. The van's come in for some upgrades and a couple of little snag jobs. So our upgrades today, love, what we haven't done.
One of them rail awning things.
So we're having a side awning put on. And what else we haven't done?
Oh, an extra socket, because I'm struggling when we have the electric kettle, the cord isn't long enough. So that was my one little request. Can I get an extra socket?
Yeah, so we're having an extra 230 socket put in because there was only two singles in the van and neither were in a very good location if you was going to use like a kettle or a toaster. And the last thing we're having put in today.
Yeah, USB points, like for when we go to bed, like one in each corner.
Yeah.
But when we got here, they offered us something a bit better than that, didn't they?
Yeah, so just trailing back a little bit, we got no USB points in the back. So they were going to put some USB points in, and when we've got you this morning, Ashar just said, they said, well, why don't you put little lights in each corner that have a USB point on them? And we thought, you know what, that's a good idea, because the lights we've got are the LED strip lights, and they're very bright, they're good, but if you just want that evening ambient lighting, then these are perfect, aren't they?
Yeah, so let's go show you what they're like.
Yeah, we'll show you what we got.
Man-Butt's literally got no shame. He's just jumped on a technician's ladder to inspect their handiwork. The Man-Butt admiring his new awning.
Yeah, I'm appreciating that.
How long have you waited for one, love?
4 months. You know, I mean, season's pretty much over. Well, for most, not for us. But yeah, I've wanted one of these for, well, since the day we bought it.
So tell everyone then, what's the size of it and all the jars?
It's a 4.5 metre Fiamma F45S wind out awning. Obviously we got a 7.5 metre long motorhome, so it needed to be one of the bigger ones. It took a bit longer because we had special ordered in the titanium one rather than the standard white one, because our decal on the side is mostly grey.
Yeah, it looks really smart, fair play.
I like that.
But this was your big one, wasn't it, love? Your big treat.
That's the one I really wanted.
So if we can, we'll show you this out a bit later on. Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
It's a frosty one this morning, so we've got the tea on the go.
Yeah, check that out. First bit of frost this year.
The sun is in the sky though, which is nice. You can literally see me blowing my hair out there.
Yeah. The temperatures have changed, haven't they? It's gone from that mild October and early November to just boom, winter's here.
Yeah, and we've never been out this time in the year before, have we?
No.
Not in the van anyway, I mean.
Normally it would be cutched up with his little jacket on in storage somewhere.
Yeah. But yesterday, as you saw, we had some exciting upgrades. Well, exciting for us, so we had some upgrades. By the time we got to camp, it was so dark, we couldn't actually show off anything.
Well, to be fair, we got here about 4:30.
Pitch black.
But
now.
it was pitch black, yeah. A lovely little sort of CAMC site in Wellington. Nice and peaceful until we arrived, to be honest.
As always, really, isn't it?
But yeah, we haven't had a look at this wind out awning yet, so look at what time is it? I'm up particularly early.
I don't know, I got my watch is on the hand that I'm holding my tea.
Ha, and it's dead.
There you are.
Dim battery, but yeah, it's early. Should we have a look?
Mm. Yeah. Oh, first little roll out. So Stu went for a titanium coloured awning because he felt that it matched the decals on the van a bit better. So I hope he knows what he's doing now. I ain't got a clue.
I ain't got a clue, right? So this is the first time I've been on one of these kind of awnings. Now I know there's legs that need to come out. So I'm assuming I got to do something for here.
Never assume. You make an ass out of you and me.
You did not.
I did. First thing in the morning, mummy quotes.
Right, okay, so this, right, that slides up. Whoa. Like that.
Now what? Is there a little thing on the side to tighten it? It's like the height that you want.
Yeah, so there's things on the side of the legs. I can see I can adjust the height. So, let's say I bring that to there. I guess I just lock that in place, but there, it's done.
Yeah. It's a bit on the wonk. It's ridiculous how excited we are, isn't it?
Brilliant.
We went through the whole summer without one of these. Ooh!
I think that's enough.
What, does it go bigger again?
Yeah, it goes up much further than that.
Well, that's practically taking up the whole pitch. So you know when I put, you know when it's out,
Yeah.
does that mean I can stick lights on it?
No.
Why?
Definitely no lights allowed.
Nowhere.
No, not needed.
People, I think I'm going to have lights put underneath. You know, the LED sort? And just like hang them. That's massive.
Hang on, that's it fully extended right there.
But I'm just going to come back just to appreciate the size of it. And yes, we have got a lovely pitch. Look at that lush tree. Quite lucky. We turned up and we didn't really, well, we couldn't see anything. Happy with that?
So then, I've got this piece for something. Oh, there's all kind of bits in here. So we got another pole. He said this was for the centre. I got those parts there and those parts there. I'm not going to open it because I'm going to lose it. I need to...
That's for the middle in it to go up on the top.
Yeah, I need to check the
To stop that from going.
Basically it says it goes from here to there. Just stops this from sagging because it's 4.5 metres wide.
Yeah, it's a big one. Although on our van it doesn't look that big.
No, our van makes it look tiny, love. But it is 4.5 metres, so it is, yeah, quite a big one.
Should we go and stand under it just to, you know, make ourselves feel good?
Go on then, go stand under it. I'll show them you under it.
Ta-da! Now what would be good is if you got my chair out. Thanks, love. There you are, there's service, isn't it? What would be good is if we had our chairs out. So I'm going to just pop one out just to have a good look.
Oh, God.
Saying that, the kids have well and truly taken over this booth. Goodness. How many skateboards?
We did need to get a chair out, to be fair.
Well, I wanted to. I've got a bit of damp or something in there because my chair's mouldy.
You comfy there, love?
Happy with that, You know you're jealous right now.
This was my toy, yeah, you're the one who looks very pleased with herself. It's quite funny.
Yeah. So we did get a couple of upgrades inside as well, albeit on a much smaller scale.
This was, the main one, wasn't it, for us?
But look at this! Look at the roof. It's just cool because it's grey. He's literally showing off how simple it is to put it back. We've got an air awning that quite often he won't let me put up because it's a bit of a faff. and he says it's only good for a couple of days or more. If you're only somewhere for a day or two, this is perfect. Just keeps the sun off your skin or the rain off your skin. So either way, it's a quick, very easy by the look of it, awning. So now he's got no excuse. Oh, simple really, isn't it? Happy with that.
Happy with that. Easy out, easy in. Job done.
No excuses now, is it? We don't ever have to sit without shelter again unless it's really, really windy, but then you wouldn't be outside anyway.
I say it just, there's a reason why 99% of motorhomes have them fitted. They are very useful, whether, you know, you're blocking sun or you're blocking rain. Just gives you that extra bit of sort of shelter and usable space that you can use when you're away in the motorhome.
We were a bit slow on that uptake really, weren't we?
Well,
we thought we didn't need it. That's what boiled down to it. And then
initially,
we very quickly realised.
Yeah, within the first couple of weeks of having it, I was like, we need a side awning.
So yeah,
they haven't been easy to get hold of, have they?
No, they haven't. Morning, children. So one of the other upgrades we got yesterday was a little plug socket by here. And the reason for that was because we've only got a plug socket down behind the TV, which is for the TV. And then in the kitchen area here, we've got one just at the top there. So when we've been on electric, and I've had to use my lovely kettle, the cord isn't long enough to reach. So therefore I've been balancing it just on this edge by here. And you can imagine that's quite dangerous. Now the man, but look at him, sat over by there. Chilling,
I got my brew. I've just been out to show everyone the side on it, so I'm a bit chilly now. It's really chilly out there today.
Yeah, Mr. Frost has been out.
Yes.
So we've also had another upgrade at the back here, love.
Oh,
I'll let you show this off.
Yes. So we wanted some. Originally we wanted some USB points put here and over that side because there's no sockets or USB ports up here. So you got a USB port here, there's another USB port around the back, but also on the back of the light this turns and is a dimmer switch on it as well. So
this is a little click on and
that was a mini win, that one, wasn't it? We would have been quite happy with just the USB ports.
Yeah, now we've got some cheeky dimmer lights or reading lights
because
that you can have.
That's it, the lighting up here, yes, the ceiling lights are quite ambient, but to turn those off you got to go to the switch over there. So if you're lying in bed and you just want, you know, that little ambient light, it's right above your head. Job done.
Yeah,
I'm happy with that.
I've left my USB in just to show, and for the first time ever I've managed to have my phone plugged in next to my head. I've woken up and it's fully charged.
Job done.
Yeah.
And we got a couple more upgrades left now.
Yeah, so I'm just going to jump in. Oh, I still got that on, look. No one wants to see that, do they? I'm inside now.
You need to go at that angle too.
What angle? Oh, over there. Ah! See? Still working it out in this motorhome. Yeah.
So we got a couple more upgrades we're going to do. I think the next round is going to be...
wheels.
Right, Charles wants alloy wheels, so yeah, we're going to do the alloys. Then we're going to have the gas flow system installed so that we have A, bigger tanks, and B, refillable, which I think will be a big win for us, the amount we're going to be on the gas.
Yeah. Anything else?
Yeah, the last one is we're going to be doing the air suspension on the rear axle. And you also want to put that stuff in the tyres, don't you, so that you can't get a puncture basically.
Yeah, because I'm paranoid of punctures. Because every time, whatever car I've had, I always seem to have had problems with the tyres. So there's nothing worse being stuck on the side of the road with a puncture.
Yep, so that will solve that, won't it?
Yep.
So this, yeah, some upcoming upgrades that we're hoping to do over the next few weeks.
So I'm sure we'll vlog them and we'll keep you updated as we go.
But until next time,
we'll see you in a bit.
Try, guys.
So we've stayed at the Caravan and Motorhome Club site, Cade side, and as you come in, there's a storage yard just there for caravans and motorhomes. There's your reception. Obviously you report to that and let them know where you're pitched up. When you come out here, There is literally about 15, maybe 20 pictures at best here. Gorgeous tree in the middle. And they're just left and right in a little circle. Really peaceful until we got here. So all your waste goes there. We are just there on top. Elson there. And that is literally, that's it. Perfect for a stopover. Though there is the M5 quite nearby, so it can be a little bit noisy. And because of the overhead electricity cables, obviously children can't mess with any kites or be kicking footballs around. Just spied a rabbit. It's gone so fast though, I don't know if you saw it then. But just there is all your waste. The man bet's got the engine on. That's him ready to go. But if you can just see, you come in, you do a little circle around here, and then back out that way. And that's us. We're got about 2.5 hour journey home now. So yeah, recommend. Nice and cheap. I think it was £25 for non-members, £18 something if you're a member. I thought it was cheap enough. Lovely.